Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I am trying to get back into crafting, so I'm doing an altered time card today. I sat down and covered this Dollar Tree time card and try not to make my camera focus in and out. Um, so I used this paper from, I don't know where I got it. Maybe Hobby Lobby, maybe AC Moore back in the day. Um, so that's in the background. I added my faux tape. It's very dark, isn't it? I do love the look of it though. I added a paper doily in the background over here and here. These are old die cuts from my stash. I also added a digital ticket that says vintage, has similar flowers. This is a die cut, a dress die cut from Sizzix, I believe. This is a free download of a dictionary meaning of caring. It says it's an adjective to be kind and concerned for others. And then I added a little bit of these little tiny gems to the butterfly and down here. So I really like how this turned out. I may poke a hole and make a dangle or something for it once I know what I'm going to do with this. But I do like how it turned out. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week or weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.